Awake, mountains tremble, rivers overtake. A whisper in the wind turns into a scream. Nature's fury, it's a nightmare, not a dream. Tidal waves crash down, the earth's alive. No shelter in this chaos, no place to hide. Roars, the desert swallows whole. Feel the heartbeat of the world losing control. She's not cruel, she's not kind, just a force you can't confine. No mercy in her eyes, she's the end and the rise. Mother Nature takes no prisoners, no chains. Feel her wrath in the fire, in the rain. You can't outrun the thunder, can't fight the tide. When she comes for you, there's nowhere to hide. Volcanoes spit fire, the ground splits in two. Her vengeance doesn't care what you've been through. She's the flood, the drought, the endless night. A storm of reckoning, roaring untamed might. Shaking the earth beneath your pride. She'll tear down the walls where you reside. You thought you owned her, thought she'd obey. Now you're caught in the teeth of her violent ballet. She's the chaos, she's the calm, the cradle and the bomb. No surrender, no reprieve, just the truth you can't believe. Mother Nature takes no prisoners, no chains. Feel her wrath in the fire, in the rain. You can't outrun the thunder, can't fight the tide. When she comes for you, there's nowhere to hide. Hear the roar of the beast, the howl of the wild. Tornadoes tearing through like a feral child. Earthquakes crack the ground, hurricanes ignite in her shadow when nothing but sparks in the night. You thought you ruled her, you were just borrowing time, now it's gone. Wrath unleashed, feel the power she wields. Beneath her rage, humanity nails. Mother Nature takes no prisoners, no chains. Feel her wrath in the fire, in the rain. You can't outrun the thunder, can't fight the tide. When she comes for you, there's nowhere to hide. Her fury's eternal, her will's unbound. We're dust in the stone, lost underground. With the sun on ground. Fury!